Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about whether it is acceptable to use contractions in writing. First, let's go over what a contraction is. It's when you take two words and squish them together. The resulting word is what you use in place of the original two words. We use these words in speech all the time. Conversations without contractions sound stuffy and awkward. For this reason, most fiction writers make liberal use of contractions. The point of writing fiction is to tell a story. We want to be relatable. We want the words to flow easily so our audience can be comfortable and, in some cases, comforted. This is a piece of dialogue I wrote for a story, but what I've done here is expanded out all of the contractions to the full versions of the words. I didn't write it like this because this is not the way people naturally talk. Maybe this is kind of palatable for a few lines like this, but an entire novel written like this would be torture to read. Here's the original passage as it was written. There are subtle differences in the text, but the effect is a lot more readable. Formal writing is a little bit different. The general school of thought is that avoiding contractions in scholarly articles, research papers, formal presentations, and so on produces work that is more professional in tone. That being said, contractions are not completely outlawed in formal writing. There are times when it's fine to use them. Use contractions when you're directly quoting someone else. It needs to be a word-for-word quote. If you're using a common saying to make a point and the saying includes a contraction, use it. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket. Doesn't pack as much punch as the original saying. And finally, sometimes your message just comes across more naturally if you use contractions. The occasional well-placed contraction can turn a stuffy article into one that is still professional but more relatable. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.